Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a big breaking news which is coming here from Accenture. Accenture has again started this hiring process for 2023 and 2024 batch for all graduate. I will give you the complete details in this video. I request all of you to please like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any update regarding any of the hirings. Okay. Now, so I will also show you the screenshots which students are receiving with all the details you will be getting to know about Accenture. Okay. Now, so friends, as you know, earlier Accenture, right? So started sending the mail that you are not eligible for the exams, but now the same students are receiving email from Accenture that congratulations and you have moved one step ahead in this recruitment process, and the exam is going to be conducted soon. Cognitive assessment, technical assessment, communication assessment, right? We will also talk about what is a cooling period. We will also talk about how to prepare. Okay. Now, so friends, Accenture has a cooling period of 90 days. That means 3 months. So if you have applied for any of the roles for Accenture, either it is system and application service associate, or you have applied for package app development role, right? So any of the roles, right, or AC role for 2023 and 2024 batch pass out. And if you have got a regret mail that you cannot move ahead in this process, then please do not apply again. But if you have got a congratulation mail, okay, you have moved ahead in the process like this. So dear candidate, so you can see 14th of Feb, like one candidate has got, thank you for registering with us, please stay tuned for the further updates. 15th of Feb, thank you for your interest in pursuing a career at Accenture, congratulations on meeting our eligibility criteria. You will receive further notification about the next step on your registered email ID. So now these candidates are receiving email for the first assessment, right? Okay. So friends, after you receive this mail that thank you for exploring a career at Accenture, right? So ensure that you have read all the instructions. So you will be having cognitive assessment, technical and communication. After this, you will be receiving an email where you'll have to choose the exam slot, right? After choosing the exam slot, you will have to write the examination. So we have done a lot of videos on Accenture, and if you'll see the recent, right? So Accenture official hiring 2024 announced. So this was on Feb 21. And now basically they have started sending the examination mail. Here, if you'll go down, right? So you can see I have given the alternate link plus the main link. So if the main link does not work, then you can go for the alternate link, right? So if the main link does not work, then you can go for the alternate link, because many of you will have problem in accessing it. So now please understand carefully. If you have got a regret mail that you are not selected, right, for the written test, then please do not apply again. If you have got congratulation mail, then wait for the exam slot selection booking mail, then you will be able to receive. See, I know there are many students who has not written any exam for the Accenture in last 90 days. See, your cooling period counts only when you write the exam. If you apply, then your cooling period does not count. Suppose you applied in January and now it is March. Okay. So Jan, Feb, March. So your this it's not like cooling period. Cooling period will be only there when you start, when you have written the examination, right? So the link, detailed link you will be getting. Still some people will have some problem. In that case, so there is a link for the support team, so you can raise a ticket with them. See, that is what you can maximum do, because we also do not have any direct contact with the Accenture team. So you as a student, you only will have to contact with them, right? Okay. Now friends, how to prepare for this assessment? Because as you know, in 2024, the process, right, I mean the hiring process is very much limited, right? See, most of the people will provide you free preparation as well, but you think why they are providing you free preparation? Apple will sell their mobile iPhones at free anytime? No, that will never happen, because always quality, right? So quality comes with a cost, because they have spent a lot of investment they have done in bringing the best engineers to design, to develop the phone, right? So definitely they will have some cost. So that is the reason they are selling at a price. So when somebody is providing you something for free, then definitely you won't get the quality, right? So if you want the quality, and you can also see we have given a lot of results in Accenture. So what you can do is you can go and check our content. It is updated content, okay? And we are also providing the live classes, right? So here we have cognitive assessment, verbal ability, right? Coding questions, pseudo code, technical MCQs, right? With PDF file, Accenture live classes are there, right? Accenture test series are there, right? So all those things who will give you, right? So you can only decide. Previous year questions we have done. So the exams which happened in September, so that questions also we have done. So definitely you will not be getting all those things, right? So this comes only with a cost. Even the previous question paper PDF file also it is there, live classes recording is there. So each and everything we are doing with just a price of 699, because once you miss this opportunity it will be very very difficult for you, right? So we have a lot of courses. Accenture, one of the best course we are providing, and trust me, the quality will be always there. That you can also see the videos on our channel and you can decide it, right? So this is how you are going to prepare. So thank you, take care, all the very very best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also keep watch keep a watch on all the videos which we upload so that you don't miss any kind of firing. So this is a big update which is coming here from Accenture.